Before the hardcore battles get underway in the UAAP, we always start with the traditional opening ceremonies. Now this year, the honor of putting on a colorful and vibrant, energetic show with a little bit of flavor falls on the Far Eastern University. We are moments away from that big extravaganza. So as we always say, sit back, relax, and enjoy. This is Season 72 of the UAAP, brought to you by ABS-CBN Sports.
UAAP Season 72 marks a breakthrough with the introduction of the latest technological innovation to hit your television screen. ABS-CBN Sports has always been a pioneer, and it proves this once again as it enters the digital age with its high-definition broadcast of the UAAP basketball game. With HDTV, sports fans can now enjoy widescreen, crystal-clear picture quality, fluid motion, and digital sound. ABS-CBN Sports on HDTV.
It's the ultimate sports viewing experience.
Another year of competition and glory. The time has come to open the 72nd season of the UAAP. Please rise for the Philippine National Anthem.
Lupang hinirang, tuyang ka lang magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka patitiis, sa dagat at bundok, sa timoy at sa langit mo magaw, malilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang isap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na naglilingin, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may madidilim, lupa ng araw ng may ating pagkinta,
Please remain standing for the UAAP hit, to be followed by the opening prayer. Our victories with humility and to remain committed to our goals. We know that if the light of Christ is in our lives, there will be unity in our gaze, fairness in our play, and the victory at the end of the road. Win or lose, teach us to be thankful for the journey. Ladies and gentlemen, you may now be seated. That of the past towards greatness and heroism is one that must be reversed forward, as much as it must be understood backwards. As we celebrate the 72nd season of the UAAP, let us remember our strengths, our heritage, and the story behind our colors. Colors that shine together today, that set this UAAP game in motion.
Noong unang panahon, ako ay nangarap na maging matapang, magkating, matalino at matatag. Sa aking paglakbay, ako'y nakakita ng isang himong makulay. Sarimano ang ngalan niya.
Today, our parents learn by the who we are and how did you